This is a restaurant, Snufkitchen. It's a restaurant in the suburbs of Tokyo. The chef, Shigeo sources local vegetables from the fields and uses a natural water called golden water to make his soba noodles. On the other hand, unlike Japanese traditional soba cooking, he used pasta machine to cook and give many challenges for his originality and uniqueness. He is a man who loves freedom and solitude, and also loves to play guitars, motorcycles, and, of course, cooking. In this channel, he will tell the daily life of Snuff Kitchen, including his creative soba and dishes that we can be made at home. He also will introduce his recipes to save time or professional tips for cooking. He hopes people who love soba will take advantage of his knowledge and experience because the number of soba restaurants are decreasing year by year in Japan. He hopes young people will become familiar with the healthy, tasty soba cuisine, and the young people think, oh, I can do it. Let's cook by this YouTube channel. He hope enjoy this channel from the all over the world. Thank you for listening.